tranny with a blown diff. If you want that. If you don't, I don't care.
Not really, probably.
It's fine. I'll save it for one of our other 2 cars.
You want to back this thing up? Yeah, here, make me. Thanks.
I'm thinking my motor's full of oil. I don't know if you need this in the end.
Nice little car.
It's my wife's race car. 1956.
Did you see the guy in the magazine that won $2 million? He's a Volkswagen guy.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Did you see that? He's
All of a sudden he's got like
Not much, but just a whole lot.
he bought an old, I guess a baseball player's house.
That's gonna be far enough. We're gonna have to grab it.
Stop it.
Okay, hey.
Oh, wait, let me get the jack.
Yeah, bring the jack up. Well, now put the jack up one more time.
Put it up?
Yeah. Go up with it.
Yeah, going up.
Push it back further again. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to drop it on there.
Okay. It's a lot further on there now. Further. It's a lot further on there.
All right, it's off.
She's beautiful.
Alright, so I'm gonna steer it.
It's straight on there.
Okay.
There she goes.
Should be good now.
We're almost there. Okay, stop.
Oh, shit.
Heck yeah.
You got a block or something?
There's usually one right in here. Do I not have one in there? Big difference. The little roller on the
front pulley for this one, damn it. This is all Seiko shit. He's like,
state. Yeah, it's about to do the whole fucking
Look into
the
it.
Men in Black.
Stay right here.
No. Don't
About to do
flash
the Men in
me.
Black, bro.
Don't flash me.
You're about to fucking forget everything. That thing's fucking. We are the Men in Black. Galaxy Defense.
Watch this, Johan. Watch this.
Don't do that.
Oh, it's weird.
It's fucking weird. All right.
It's working.
Yeah, I think so.
You got it figured out.
I think I got it figured out.
You like the new race car? That one. Oh, that back there. Yeah, we got it, you know. Track
Yo, we made it back to Fibercraft. What up, Adam?
What's happening?
We got the freaking Ghia back. It's gonna be the new race car for Fibercraft.
Yeah, she's pretty, and we just absolutely love her. Super cool in Nevada because pre-67 you don't have to smog it at all. So if we can get her just titled up, we should be able to drive her on the street as well. So
Ooh, street car and drag car. That's gonna be badass.
yeah, she's nice. It's gonna be crazy having to take out some of these seats and put in the turkey. We gotta make some real power. So cage is on the you know, first on the list. So we got to get it caged so we can be.
What do you think, dude?
Back out. It's gonna be nice.
Be a nice drag car, huh?
Yeah. I want to just put panels on the back and cut the back end a little bit so we could probably get a bigger tire in it. Like, if we could narrow and raise the rear end, that would be sweet. Like, we do have to IRS swap it, so I have to already do what we did to that other car when you Should I pop the hood? You want to look under the hood? You want video?
Yeah.
She is hyper. She's got that spray. Bro, she's gonna fucking. I popped it and it went boing. That makes me feel like there's not that much mud in that hood, though.
I know.
Like the inside of the nose there was a little bit, but who really cares? You know, it's perfect. Look at it. Fucking perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Freaking looks good. Freaking Karmann Ghia drag car.
Got a spare tire, a jack, bro, a rear view mirror. I don't even think that fits this car, does it?
No, that's too late.
Not even for this car.
No, that's a late style.
Late model. Oh, the taillight that's broken out in the back, bud.
Yeah, nice.
I have a couple of those in this box. And we almost lost that headlight on the freeway.
Yeah.
Good thing the pigtail was holding on good. Like, had a nice, good connection. Double taillight lens with chrome.
Oh, lunch is here. Yeah, we do. Free food?
For kids.
Karmann Ghia bed?
Oh, nice, dude.